I'm Wade Young, I'm from South Africa, I'm 22 years old and we're at the Revlimiter here in USA. Yeah, we had a walk around the weekend. It seemed like if it was going to be dry, it would be alright and we should get a bit of traction, but it's been raining non-stop and pretty cold, so, and there's the amateur guys also been going out this morning, so they would have got the mud up on the rocks, and so I think it's going to be a real tough weekend, very slippery and the worst of the worst conditions.
Hello guys, it's Mario Roman. I'm from Spain. Here we are in Revlimiter Stream in Texas. I'm racing on a 300 two-stroke Sherco, a factory model, and I'm very happy with his performance. So I think it will be super difficult, but for me, as more hard as possible will be better. I will feel more comfortable, so that's what I look for. I think it's gonna be super tough. 2 hours race 1, hour and a half race 2, and 45 minutes the finality, the final. So I think all of them are super important and I will try to do my best.
Good ride, bro. Thanks, man. You too. Good battle. Yeah, it was good. It was really interesting, you know. It was a short lap with a whole bunch of guys going, so it was a bit nerve-wracking coming to the hard sections after the first lap. Just not sure if you're going to get a clean run, but battled a bit with Cody. Cody was just another level above us today, so Amar and I had a good battle and I managed just to get away in the second to last lap. But overall, a good weekend here, only upwards from here.
Yeah, I'm very happy with this race, Revlimiter. It was an awesome experience, so cold, frozen. I think the most difficult part for me was no feeling in the hands the whole day, and it's not easy to ride like that. But anyway, I'm very happy with my riding. I have a really good battle with my teammate. Cody was riding very well, better than us today. And yeah, can't complain. We will keep working for the next races. And thanks for Sherco Off-Road to bring me over to US. It was a dream come true. Thank you.